A new memorial to the three Winhall men who lost their lives in the Moss Side mining disaster in 1939 has been unveiled. The memorial is an entrance feature with commemorative plaque situated in on the roundabout at Park Crescent, Central Winhall, Airdrie. Pupils from Gulf Hill and Victoria Primaries came along to celebrate the opening along with council leader Jim Logan, councillors Alan Beveridge, Nancy Pettigrew, Trevor Douglas and local community representatives. Mr. Logue said, "We were approached by local people with an interest in local history who wanted to see a commemoration to the men who lost their lives. The new feature is a fitting way to remember the three men from Winhall who lost their lives in the Moss Side mining disaster on the 22nd of September 1939. It's also part of a drive to enhance our local communities through entrance features and heritage projects." The project has been funded by North Lanarkshire Council's Local Development Programme. Consultation took place with local groups and residents to help choose the design. For more on this story, visit the news article link.